Alright everybody, we are back here with Jenny. We got the GPS in there as well, and I'm gonna go swimming this morning. There's nobody here at the beach right now except for a couple pontoon DUIers. So, early morning DUIers, it's like 9 a.m. right now. Booze cruising in the pontoon. On a pontoon. Isn't that how the song goes? Okay. Anyways, let's see how we got some satellites. We do. Alright. So I want to see if we can get this thing on a straight line, full pin 2S, and then if that goes well, guys, I brought a little 3S. We'll see if we can get a full pin on 3S. I did have to fix my prop, so we had the set screw had pulled out of the plastic threads of that 3D printed prop. So what I did was, you can't see it, but there is a M2 nut cert in there now, a heat cert. So that is tightened down and should not come loose. Zero it out. The loon is saying good morning to us. Okay, setting the phone down. Turning on my controller. Turning on the boat. Okay, time to hopefully not go swimming. It's a little, it's starting to get ripply. It would have been smoother had we been out here earlier, but okay. See how she's doing today. A little heavy in the back, but looks all right. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna hit it. Full speed. Whoa, okay.
Something went flying.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did we eat the prop?
I think so. I think so.
Okay, well.
Yep. It's broke, it did.
Oh, a piece went off it?
No, the whole thing.
Oh, it's just gone.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
All of it. Well, I saw one of them go over that way.
One of them. Okay, well.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. We lost guards too when that happened. Okay, well, let's take our broken boat in. 3D printed props, you'll have this, but at least we didn't lose the centerpiece, so I can pull that screw back out, pull that collar back out of there that you need to adapt the 5mm size down in the center. And then we can put the ABS one I printed on. Maybe the ABS will last. Alright. That was a very quick run, wasn't it? God damn you, Jenny. 13 miles an hour. She's a ripper. And she took on water this time. Yeah, it was a little bit too heavy towards the back this time, for sure. Get that out of there. Yeah, she took in a little water through that hole there, guys. I had just a little bit too much weight back there this time, I guess. But now you guys can see inside of it this time. So it's just a little Traxxas ESC, little tiny servo, Larlo receiver in case I lost it. I didn't want to lose something good, right? And that's how it's built. Okay, well, I'm gonna get an ABS prop on this, and I'll see you guys next time.
RC speed, running with no speed.